Welcome in today's video on how to make a e-signature in Canva. So the first step is go to your Google browser and search for the signature generator on Canva. Once you have done that, you will find this option and we will select it. Now you will be redirected into Canva, and as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, if you don't have an account yet, create a free one, and after that you can choose the option you would like to use. For this one, I will use the type your signature option, and after that you will create a design. So let's say we would like to use a elegant style. So let's select this one or maybe this one, and we can now select our name. So type in your name, let's say Tech Tutorials 1234. And we have now created our signature. You can customize it also a little bit because you can add a element. Now you can use the drawing option and you can customize it even more, or maybe just select a element and we will use signature. And as you can see, you can select different options over here. So we will open this and now you can add a nice design into it. Let's select this one to customize it a little bit more. And we will turn it a little bit so it will be more visible and make it a little bit smaller. And now you have successfully created a e-signature in Canva. If you would like to download this, then you can click on share, then click on download, and you can select the preferred options. Now if you have Canva Pro, then you can use the transparent background option, so you can download it without the background. Once you have clicked on download, this design will be downloaded into our documents. And if I will show it to you guys, we have successfully downloaded our signature without any background. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!